Guys, this is Rachel Howard, and this is my life science demonstration. I planned this one for the kindergarten age. I usually do my lesson plans for like the 5th grade age because my cooperating class was a 5th grade. But I just found out my placement for student teaching is with kindergarten, so I decided to do this one for kindergarten age. So what we were doing is something really simple, and you might have done this before in your class. I think I did it. I don't know if I did it in kindergarten, but I remember doing it in elementary school. Each student would get a small cup of soil, and I would probably do it in like the little plastic, maybe like solo cup style. I didn't have any of those right now, so I'm just using a regular plastic cup that I already filled with soil, but not very high. So each student would get a little bit of soil, maybe enough to fill 3/4 of a small cup. And then we'll need seeds, and then I have some water here. And so what we do is we would have our little cup of soil, and we would plop a couple of seeds into our soil and kind of press them in, and then we will give it some water, and then we would stick it in our windowsill and let it get plenty of sunlight, and we would kind of journal, giving details about maybe how much soil we put in, how many seeds we put in, and then each day, like day 1, we don't notice any changes. Day 2, maybe we'll see a sprout. So we would write down how much water we put in each day, and then if we notice any changes. And I thought also for this kindergarten age, that might not be able to do a whole lot of writing or give a lot of detail. I thought we can have like maybe little illustration boxes, and they can kind of illustrate what they're seeing as their plant changes and grows in the sun. So maybe after a few days we'll see a little green sprout, so they can draw a little green sprout in their illustration box. And so we would just be observing any changes we saw as the seed started to grow into an adult plant. All right, thanks.